Hi everyone! Here's a quick little tutorial on how to use PowerPoint to edit and save images. The first thing we want to do is create a fresh slide in PowerPoint, and to do that, we go to the left-hand side, right-click, and select New Slide. We're not going to need this title bit at all, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and I'm going to delete this as well. And we'll start with a nice blank slide. Next thing we want to do is add the image we want to edit. So we'll insert picture and navigate to where our picture is. Select it and click insert. Get rid of the design ideas tab if that pops up for you on the right. And we're ready to go. Now all I'm going to do is insert some basic shapes over this image. So I'm going to go to insert and I'm going to go to shapes. As you can see, we've got a whole menu of shape choices. So I'm going to select one and we'll go ahead and click an oval/circle. And then I'm going to place the crosshairs of my cursor right at the top left of where I want that shape to go. And then I can create it as big as I want by simply clicking, holding, and dragging down. As long as the image is selected, you get these little circular handles on the side. You can use those to make the image bigger or smaller, and when you click on the image, you can drag and drop it anywhere you like. You can adjust the size manually by dragging on the side bits, but if you want your circles and squares to be perfect, you can go up to the toolbar, and in the size area, you can just select sizes to ensure that everything's even. We can change the color of the image by going up to Shape Styles and selecting some pre-selected colors here, or if we want to get custom colors, we can click on Shape Fill under Shape Styles and select colors and outlines we want. So again, I'll insert another image, insert shape. This time I'll go with a rectangle or a triangle, say. Pull that down, drag it around, and it's selected. So I can make it bigger, I can make it bigger and smaller, thinner, fatter, whatever I want to do with it really. And again, if I wanted a perfect triangle, I can just go up here and go like this and adjust the height and the width there. And again, I can choose different colors and I can drag and drop it around. So one more time, insert, shape, I'll pick the smile face this time, put the crosshairs of the cursor about where I want it to go, at the top left of where I want it to go, drag and drop, and then I can change the colors to suit. When I've got everything the way I want it, I still have 4 separate images on a page here as opposed to one image. So what I need to do is select everything and bind it together. So to select everything on a page, I prefer to use the keyboard shortcut Control A, but Apple users can use the keyboard shortcut Apple A. Another thing you can do is simply take your cursor up to the top left, click, hold, drag, and you'll see this gray shape come all over everything. And it selects everything, and you can tell because all the little handles are showing up on everything. Then we can just right click on one of the shapes and select Group. And now that it's grouped, it is a single image. The last step is to save it as an image, and again we right click, click Save as Picture, select the destination folder, give it a name, and click Save. We'll minimize, show you that that image is there, and there it is. And that's all there is to using PowerPoint as a very basic sort of image editor.